Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to upgrade real quick your PPH to 1 million in 1 minute. You can achieve this if you actually have a total balance of 150 to 200, right? So with that being said, let me show you guys on how to get this PPH to 1 million by buying the cheapest card on Hamster Kombat. So with that being said, let's jump in. So right now I'm going to go to the special. This is the special right here. This one I'm already in it, so I'm just gonna like buy this. As you can see here, 22. So you have to be checking your new cards. First of all, you go to special. Then come to your new cards here. You tap on that. Now they're gonna display here. So make sure every day you check for new cards, right? So I'm just gonna like go real quick to my cards. I've already bought this one. This one was 20,000 or 21,000 to get 1.5 PPH, right? So as you can see here, they are very cheap. So right now, don't mind my own balance, because my own balance will be higher because I have already used it to upgrade my own PPH to 1.1 million, right? So as you can see here, these are cards I've owned. Now look at them here. So first of all, let me show you real quick. This one right here. This Hamster break records is number 1. You check on that. You check on this. As you can see, let me show you guys. I'm going to tap as if I'm going to buy. As you can see here, this one doesn't worth anything. 18,000 to get plus 561. Wow, that is poor. So I'm just going to like go ahead. As you can see, this one they say 1 million. Right before it wasn't 1 million. So as you can see, this one is also a little bit So as you can see, this one here 4.73k. That one is good. So as you can see, we can pause the video to get the names. YouTube 25 million. They're celebrating their YouTube for them getting 25 million subscribers, right? So as you can see, these are cards. This one's pre-market launch Hamster Kombat bench and merch. Those are good cards. As you can see, this one I upgraded to level 9. And I'm currently earning 59.89k PPH per hour. So right now I'm already earning 3 point something million coins per hour. As you can see that. So make sure you pause this video to get this right. As you can see here, ton plus Hamster Kombat is equals to success, right? This one also upgrade to level 9. This is the one I'm showing you guys. And as you can see here, pre-market also is a good one. See, 11,000. You see that? So when you are getting this, it should be cheaper. The Hamster Kombat match, leave it. It doesn't worth anything. Go for the pre-market. Go for the turn plus Hamster Kombat. Go for the 2. How do you call it? Consensus Piranha also. As you can see, this is also so go for them. These are the ones that's going to be this one here doesn't give you that. Like now anyone you see 64.22k giving you 3 points. So as you can see, it's very poor. Look at it, very poor. So you guys should go in here and get as you can see, this one here 11 upgrade to 11. So it's 11.63 million. And if I tap on it, I'm getting 2k. Very poor. And I had to upgrade it like this so I can actually open another cards. Now this is another one here, USDT ton. This one is so you can just be doing that. I'm going to show you again real quick on the next level, right? So I'm going to go up to web 3. This is a new integration that has been added. So as you can see here, you're going to see a good coin to a good card to buy for a chip. So as you can see here, 19k for 800. Poor. 45k to get 1.28k. You can manage that. As you can see, this one here 95,000 to get 3 points. You see that Dex? These are cards that are worth it. So I'm just going to go to this legal right here. Now look at this. This license Europe gives you good PPH reward, right? And license Asia gives you also, but in a low. And license UAE gives you also, as you can see, but these are for low. Let me go down and see the one that's going to be giving you huge, okay, like license Philippines, something like that. Okay, as you can see here, this license Philippines gives you huge amount of PPH, okay, coins. Okay, so these are the ones you're gonna be, you know, jumping at. License Turkey, right? You see 4K. So these are the ones you're gonna be jumping into, okay, that's going to upgrade your PPH. But I said, word, make sure you upgrade, you collect your daily combo. Okay, these are the daily combo I'm talking about right here. This, okay, I've not yet gotten mine, okay, and I'm gonna get that. So these are the ones you have to be getting. So for you to have enough coins to buy, how is it called? I call it coins, okay, I call it coins because it's not yet profitable, right? So these are the coins you're gonna be getting, right? So make sure you, my advice to you guys is, make sure you accumulate as much points before you buy anything, so that your level here will not be reduced, okay? Because the more you buy things, the more you are going backward, okay? So make sure you accumulate enough points so that when you buy, you still remain at your 100 million for the level 9 and for the level 8. Okay, so right here, all you have to do is accumulate. As you can see, I'm actually accumulating so that when I want to buy, I'm just going to buy. I want to make this PPH to be up to 1.5 or 2 million before the launch time, right? Okay, so right here, these are the coins, these are the cards I want you guys to go and upgrade, okay? And when you upgrade them, believe me, in a day, okay, in less than 1 minute, if you have enough coin, you're gonna be earning enough PPH, okay? And now you see, you will not be stressing yourself to come back to mine. You're just gonna be like waiting for like an hour, come back, get 3 million, wait again an hour, get 3 million. I mean, in 9 hours you'll be earning about 19 million. Is it? No, 9 million. Yeah. Okay, so that's how the whole process works. So these are the cards you guys have to be using to upgrade your PPH. Okay, right now I'm just gonna like check on this. So for you guys, let me give you a good tip for you guys to quickly earn this point. You don't have to miss this, okay? This tax you're seeing here, you don't have to miss this, you don't have to miss this, you don't have to miss this, and you don't have to miss your daily reward. Believe me, if you keep on getting this, like tomorrow I'm going to get this 5 million, okay, and it's going to increase my PPH, because when I accumulate enough coin, okay, of this balance, I'm going to get this 1 million to 2 million, okay? I'm going to get this to 2 million, okay? And in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you'll be the difference between this PPH and this main balance you are seeing right here, okay? So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for coming to the end of this video, and tell me what you feel about this in the comment section below.